Ballast Water Exchange Standard D1. Ships performing ballast water exchange shall do so with an efficiency of 95% of ballast water. For ships exchanging ballast water by the flow-through method, pumping through 3 times the volume of each ballast water tank will be considered to meet the standard described. Pumping through less than 3 times the volume may be accepted provided the ship could demonstrate that at least 95% exchange is met. Ballast water management. Various measures to prevent, minimize, and ultimately eliminate the risk of introduction of harmful marine organisms within ballast water. Ballast water management includes the ballast water exchange at sea, as well as the ballast water treatment by mechanical, physical, chemical, or biological processes, either singularly or in combination. Compliance with the Ballast Water Performance Standard, Regulation D2 of the BWM Convention, seems to be achievable only by use of a ballast water treatment system. Ballast Water Management Plan. Ships of 400 gross tons and above are required to have on board and implement a ballast water management plan approved by administration. The BWMP is specific to each ship and includes a detailed description of the actions to be taken to implement the ballast water management requirements and supplemental ballast water management practices. Ships must have a ballast water record book to record when ballast water is taken on board, circulated, or treated for ballast management purposes, and discharged into the sea. It should also record when ballast water is discharged to a reception facility and accidental or other exceptional discharges of ballast water. Further reading: IMO Resolution MEPC 12753 Guidelines for Ballast Water Management and Development of Ballast Water Management Plans. Ballast Water Performance Standard D2. Ships conducting ballast water management must discharge fewer than 10 viable organisms per cubic meter that are greater than or equal to 50 micrometers in minimum dimension, and fewer than 10 viable organisms per milliliter that are less than 50 micrometers in minimum dimension and greater than or equal to 10 micrometers in minimum dimension. And discharge of the indicator microbes must not exceed the specified concentrations. The indicator microbes, as a human health standard, include, but are not limited to: 1. Toxicogenic Vibrio cholerae, O1 and O139 with less than 1 colony-forming unit, CFU per 100 milliliters, or less than 1 CFU per 1 gram, wet weight, zooplankton samples. 2. Escherichia coli, less than 250 CFU per 100 milliliters. 3. Intestinal enterococci, less than 100 CFU per 100 milliliters.